Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add an event to calendar on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar. After click on calendar, select month from here. After select month, click on date. After click on date and type event name. After type event name, click on add notification. Default color from here. After the process, click on save. You will see event is add. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.